Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as Jay Chanelli on the internet, so you can follow me there on Instagram, Twitter, and of course YouTube. I'm coming to you guys today with a different video. This is a I tried following blank tutorial, and the person that I'm going to be following today is Mini Marley. Mini Marley is a natural hair guru here on YouTube. I've been following her for a couple years now, and her hair is always on point. We have very similar hair textures, so I definitely want to try out one of her styles. She has a very boho chic style, so that's what I went for today. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. Y'all go ahead and hit that notification button as well so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. As you can see, my hair is in desperate need of being done, so we're gonna go ahead and watch the video. Alrighty, so her hair looked like mine kinda in the beginning. Okay, she took all of her hair out. So in the video, her hair is freshly co-washed and deep conditioned. My hair is also freshly washed. I did wash with shampoo. I used a line called Maui Moisture, which I recently was introduced to and I've been loving so far. I will do a review on them if you would like. She's doing her middle part first, but she's using a rat tail comb. So that's what I'm gonna do, and it looks like a triangular part. Y'all would think this wouldn't be that hard, but it actually is. I also have a hard time parting. Alright, so we got a Bantu knot. I don't have a duck clip, so I'm going to use this clip right here. Clip it out of the way. Y'all, this is really hard. Like, who would have thunk? Who would have thunk it? Don't have to be good enough for me because yeah, I'm over it already. Okay, let me go ahead and do this side quickly so we can actually get to the tutorial. This is taking so long. Now she's separating the top of her hair from the bottom of her hair. Oh, I need another clip. Oh Lord. Yeah, I don't have another clip on me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this bobby pin. Alrighty, so she's working with the back of her hair now, and she wet it with a spray bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same.
This is basically your cream styler. I really like it. It's nice and hydrating and moisturizing, and I like to put that all over each section of my hair and then go ahead and detangle it afterwards.
So she's adding her styler. I will be using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. This is for thick and curly hair. And she also detangled her hair. My hair is pretty detangled. My hair is pretty detangled. I detangle like during my wash process. So I'm not gonna actually detangle again other than like running my fingers through my hair. This product smells yummy, y'all. Y'all, the ice cream truck outside. Oh, I don't want some ice cream. Okay, so all of my hair is nice and detangled and pretty saturated in that product.
Hair back, and I'm gonna loosely put my scrunchie over this hair so that it's kind of just hanging there and waiting for me. We're not gonna secure it tightly yet. We're just gonna pull it back and start.
I need a scrunchie. I need a scrunchie. Wait, why did I think of getting a scrunchie when this whole style is actually a ponytail style? What was I even thinking? Okay, let's get back into the video.
Okay, so on each of these twists on both sides of my head, I'm putting more of that buttercream and curl defining pudding, and I'm also adding a little bit of gel to the base of these.
She says she added some product to it. Oh Lord, I done put it on my actual face. She says she also added gel. I can't talk, I'm sorry. She added some gel to the base of the twist. I'm gonna do that, and I am using that awkward moment when you realize that your part was not in the center of your head. Okay, she added a rubber band to her hair. I'm not going to do that because I don't use rubber bands in my hair. So I'm just going to add my gold jewel.
Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. We're going to pull our hair back into the ponytail, but first we need to slick it down. So I'm just putting gel all over my hair, making sure that I really...
So she's adding gel to her hair, and she's smoothing down with a hard bristle brush, which I need to go get. I really don't know how I was going to do a slick ponytail without a hard bristle brush. Hard bristle brush. Try to say that 3 times fast. Okay, so my camera is acting up, but I just wanted to show you that I finally got my hair into a puff, and she is adding some final touches.
These little gold.
She's adding some final touches to her hair. She's adding some more gold jewelry. This is the final look. This is the final hairstyle. I think it came out really, really well. I think I did a really great job. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Y'all, I feel like I bodied that. But let me know if y'all like videos like this. If you want to see anything else like this, maybe I'll do I try following blank and do a makeup person instead. But yeah, this is all I have for y'all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.